welcome to my channel. I'm Carrie and this is Carrie's Crafts. So I am going to make a few molds. I want to make this little dragon that I 3D printed, and also this, I 3D printed this. I did not like the finish, so I coated it with a lot more sealant. I'm going to pour a little bit in here. I'm going to try to save this mold. I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to give it a try. So anyway, here we go. Just for me. I don't even know if this is going to work, so we'll see. Hopefully I just have a little bit more just to get a nice coating on. Oh my goodness, I have to get it up somewhere. I might not even have enough for this guy. What in the world? Because I do want to have more of a base because of those pokey little horns this dragon has. Oh no. Oh well, I have to make more anyway. Holy moly. I wish I had a more narrow container, because I could have used like one of my cups, but I don't want to. Oh man. I wonder. I might have an idea. Let me see. What if I got, coming up with ideas. Let's see, do I have like a block of something that is small enough to take up some space? I bet I do. I bet I have stuff. Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, now you can hear my dogs barking, but I did find a bunch of these, put it in the sides, lift it up enough. It's gonna make the mold a little weird. I'll just cut off, you know, whatever.